In this video, I will be showing you how to create professional flashcards in Canva. Let's get started. Starting on the homepage, I click on the Custom Size button to set up my workspace. I'll select a standard 8.5 by 11 inch document from my recent sizes to open a new design. Once the canvas loads, I head over to the Elements tab and select a square shape to serve as the base for my first flashcard. I'll drag it to the top corner and then use the Style menu to adjust the corner rounding to 10. Next, I'll change the fill color to white and add a thin black border by adjusting the stroke weight. Now, I'll resize the rectangle to a vertical layout and duplicate it to create a second card right beside it. I'll select both cards and duplicate them again to create a bottom row. Then I'll group them all together and adjust the sizing until they are perfectly centered on the page. With the layout ready, it's time to add the content. I'll search for grapes in the Elements tab and select a colorful graphic to place inside the first box. To add the label, I'll type in a text box, change the word to grapes, and select a more stylized font to give it a polished look. Now, I can simply repeat this process for the rest of the set. I'll find a watermelon graphic for the second card, then copy and paste my text box over to update the label. For the third card, I'll search for a bright orange icon and align it before renaming the text below it. Finally, I'll find a raspberry graphic for the last box and adjust the final label to match. Once everything looks consistent, I'll click the Share button and go to Download. I'll switch the file type to PDF standard and click Download to save my ready-to-print flashcards. Creating custom educational tools like these is quick and easy with Canva.